What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I actually made a video. I've just been busy with life stuff. Anyway, yes, back with another video. As you all know, a year or two ago I made a video on the Ridge wallet. This is the Cybertruck edition, or I guess they just call it Cyber, with the cyber looking font. But love this wallet, but it does beat up my cards. My debit cards I have to replace a lot quicker, I've noticed, because after 6 or 8 months they're like peeling and chipping at the top, and it's because there's not much protection here. So I've been looking into it. I do love this wallet. It's got, you know, the MagSafe, the AirTag, money clip, and all that. It's great, but it's not perfect. As I said, these get chipped. So looking to protect my newly replaced debit card and credit cards and everything else. I did some research on Amazon and YouTube and came across this company that I've never heard of before. It's called Proof. This is the Proof wallet. This is the Oracle is the name of this model, which is a carbon fiber and dark gunmetal combination. So you got some carbon fiber wallet, like leather wallet material, and then the dark gunmetal metal part. I'm excited. So this looks like it holds more, and looks like it is more protective of your cards, because you've got this edge that covers the whole side, and you've got this I don't know if this is leather or what, but it covers on both sides as well. It does a little bit better than the Ridge wallet, so I'm excited. Also with that, I did get this. This is a Smart Slim card. It's not an AirTag, but it acts like one. It works with Apple Find My. It's a no-name brand, but it has such high reviews on Amazon, and for like $12, it was worth it. So let's go and open this up. I'm excited. I'm actually really excited. I love new wallets, and I love my Ridge wallets. I'm gonna keep them, obviously, because one, the red one I bought years ago, is customized, has my name on it. And two, you cannot find the Cyber wallet anymore at all. It was a limited run, and it is all over with. So anyway, let's look at the Proof wallet. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, that's definitely darker than I thought it'd be. Not a bad thing at all. Ooh, okay. I didn't know it came with that, with their little key tool thing. That's cool. Let me take this out. Oh, this is nice. That's really nice. So you got a screwdriver, flathead, Phillips, bottle opener, little ruler there. I will definitely be putting this on my keychain. That is very handy. I love that. But yeah, let's look at the wallet. So slightly different construction. This is metal. This is a carbon fiber leather, like I said. Feels very nice. And obviously it's got a money clip on the back, which I believe, can you adjust? It looks like you can, but maybe, okay, I guess you can't. But yeah, so money clip on the back. Obviously it's not a real $100 bill. Fold and store cash here, which I already do with the Ridge wallet, so no big deal. Very cool. Cards here. Pull tab to access cards. Cashier. Do not pull wallet apart. Okay. Because I know with the Ridge wallet, you do have to pull the wallet apart to get your cards up. This was the selling feature for me, besides better protection of your cards, is this. You pull this and all your cards come out. Very simple. There's no mechanics. It's just a strap that pushes your cards up from the inside, which is very nice. So yeah, free multi-tool included. That's so cool. There you go. There's a chart for all the stuff that key multi-tool does. Very nice. So I have a couple cards here. One is my Walgreens savings card and my Sam's Club business card. So I'm just going to put those in here. Actually, this is the front. So put those in here like so. And you press down. The strap goes right back in. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up for real with all my cards. I just don't want to show them on camera, obviously, for obvious reasons. And yeah, we'll get that going. I'll come back. And there it is. There's all my cards in there. I pull the strap up. They pop out like that. Very nice. And then just push it back in. When you do, obviously the strap goes back in its place. And there you go. So pretty cool. Very tight. I am going to have to get a little used to it, but I think over time it'll break in. People seem to love this wallet on Amazon and on YouTube. And I would hope so, because it was, so this one with the carbon fiber and dark gunmetal option was $129. They have a more expensive one that's like almost $200. It's $179 for a different color leather and a different color metal. But I love carbon fiber. That's my favorite sort of look. I've always liked it ever since I was a teenager. It's a very car thing. That's why a lot of people like carbon fiber in the military as well. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the Slim card, the Smart Slim card that has no branding other than the name, or other than the just what it is. You know, there's no actual name brand. Okay, there is on the card itself. So apparently these cards last between 5 and 10 years, which is cool, before it dies, and then you just buy a new one. So it does contribute to e-waste, but I don't really care about that. Oh wait, I'm wrong. They had so many different ones. This one actually, it charges. Even better. I like that so much. So this is a button you press and hold, and then you go into Find My, and it'll find it and all that stuff. I'm not going to do it on camera because then it'll show my location and my address and all kinds of stuff. So I'm just going to get that set up real quick, and then I'll come right back one more time, and that'll be the end of this video. And obviously I will link everything right below. So I appreciate all you guys for watching. But yeah, let me get this set up and we'll come right back. Okay, I'm not going to show the map obviously because it has my address and everything else. But yeah, there you go. The proof wallet is right there, which is what I named this card. And it works no problem. So you have to press a little hard. Not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. And I think it's 5 months battery life before it has to be charged. Again, I put it on my wireless charger and charge it. Not a big deal. So there you go. I'm going to put it inside the proof wallet. But as far as that goes, thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate it. More to come. Stay tuned. I have a lot of videos to edit still. So I will get on that. Thank you all so much. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.